Hey guys, this is going to be how to drain and fill your transmission fluid on a 2019 Ford Fusion. This is a 2.0 EcoBoost. Should be the same procedure or similar to a 2013 through 2020 Ford Fusion model. Let's go. Before you jack up the car, make sure that you have access to an impact wrench, or if you do not, go ahead and loosen the lug nuts up now, because you will need to remove the wheel if you want to make life easier for you. You're going to need to access the side of the transmission for the level plug, and that's going to be for when you're refilling it to make sure that it's at the level that it needs to be at. First things first, jack up the car, throw a jack stand under, and do the same to the other side. Before hitting the other side, make sure to throw a wheel chock under. I have an actual wheel chock, but I used to use a brick and it worked just as well for many years. Once you jack up the car, there's going to be 10mm bolts. Throw out the bottom of the car. I would say loosen them all up, don't take them off yet, and then loosen the ones in the back and take those off first, starting from the metal to this plastic shield. That way this doesn't land on your face when you're removing it from this way, that way. So start back to the front. And before you open up the drain plug for your transmission, you're going to want to have the wheel removed again. This is the driver's side, and that is going to be the plug for where you check the level of the fluid, and it's going to be a 10mm for a hex. So mine's a hex, and some models might be a 10mm bolt. And hopefully you have a long adapter like this one and make it easier, so wheels locked out all the way to the right and a long adapter to break off. Clean off the fill plug, get it ready for install later. Now from the bottom of the vehicle, the drain plug is right here next to this barcode, and that's a size 11. This is it again, size 11. Position your pan underneath, break it loose and let it drop. You're gonna make your way over here to where your fill plug is at. So this is where you're gonna go ahead and fill it up later, but for now you're gonna open that up, release some pressure, and that's gonna let it drain faster. Once you finish draining and closing off the fill plug again, go ahead and remove the jack from your passenger side and the jack stand. This step is important. Go to your driver's side, lift up the vehicle, remove the jack, lower the car to where it's level on the other side as well, so you have to be completely level as best as you can. Go to the top, fill it up, and pay attention to the side as well. Once you see it overflow, you're good to go. We're going to fill it with Mercon LV right here, so get your funnel ready. Once we fill it up, we're also going to pay attention to the side plug that we opened up earlier. That's going to be your level. So when you start to see it overflow, stop filling it from up here, and then you're going to do the next steps. Go ahead and fill it up from the top until you see it drip down here. Once you see it drip, go ahead and turn on the car and fill it up until it does stay dripping. Once it stays dripping, cap it off as the car is on, and then close your fill plug. So cap it, close it, and reassemble your vehicle. You are done. Hopefully this video made it easier for you to do your drain and fill. Like and subscribe if it did. Thank you guys.